Arnis book. Okay, Arnis Presas Style and Balisong by Grandmaster Ernesto A. Presas. Alright, so we have Police Technique. An assailant delivers a lunge punch. Response: defender quickly blocks the assailant's blow with an inside block. So delivers a punch. Nope. Quickly with an inside block. Inside block? Inside block? Clips the cane. Oh, okay. Raise the butt of the cane. Raise the butt of the cane. Tip of the cane should point towards the assailant. Thrust the cane towards the assailant's Adam's apple. Blocks the assailant's head. I wonder, shouldn't this be better if I can actually watch the technique and not read it? Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a book review. So we're gonna be following instructions from the book, and this book is Arnis Presas Style and Balisong by Grandmaster Ernesto Presas. So by no means we are a practitioner of I believe this is Grandmaster Ernesto Presas is modern Arnis. So if you guys want to take lessons on modern Arnis, please do check out. We'll put a link to
in the description below
their website of modern Arnis. So again, we are not a practitioner of modern Arnis. We're just following some instructions on the book, because you know sometimes you're reading a book and I wish I could just watch a video. So that's what we're trying to do. So it's sort of like a book review, a demonstration, since you know Lonyang Biladiri is a Filipino and Indonesian martial arts, so we want to promote all
styles of
Filipino martial arts. So this is Filipino martial arts, so I hope this is okay, and I hope you guys like it. Leave a comment below if you know we're doing it wrong. We probably are going to be doing it wrong, because we are not the practitioner of this particular style. So please leave a message or leave a comment below if you guys like it, or if you don't like it, give it a try. Alright, so what we're doing today is a police technique. So it says situation 1 is an assailant delivers a lunge punch. So he delivers a lunge punch. So that would be based on this is going to be right foot or left foot forward and delivers a left punch. So delivers a left punch. Okay, good. So one more. So wait. The assailant Raymond delivers a lunge punch. So lunge punch right there. Perfect. And then the response would be defender blocks the assailant's blow with an inside block. So I'm not really sure what an inside block is, but according to the picture, it's how's that? See, this is why we're doing this, because it's a little bit confusing. So it's left. Oh wait. You see, it's the right. Like most beginners, you're feeding me wrong.
Wow, you told me to do.
I know. See, that's why we're doing this book thing. So a lunge punch in this book is a right foot forward, and a right punch. Wah! Oh! Okay, so now the defender, the response is do an inside block. To me, this would be more of an outside block. So in karate, this would be like an inside block, I think. But then again, I might be wrong, so leave a comment below if I'm wrong. So is this inside block or is this the inside block? I don't know. Let us know. So inside block delivers a punch. I do an inside block. Then I raise the butt of the cane. The tip of the cane should point towards the assailant. Okay, let's try that. So he delivers our lunge punch, and then I do an inside. And then I do a. So he delivers a lunge punch, and I do an inside block. Okay, so let's try that. Inside block. An inside block. Pound! And then I should be on my left foot forward. Raise the butt. And the tip is pointing towards my opponent. Okay, so let's try that. So here, like this. Okay, let's try again. Okay, now second step of the response would be I go. Let me just pick it up. So thrust towards the assailant's Adam's apple. Adam's apple. Lock assailant's head by hooking his neck with the cane. Okay, let's try that. So delivers a punch. I do an inside block. Thrust to the Adam's apple, and then I go through and do a neck thing like so. It's very possible, I don't know. Again, we're not the practitioner of this particular art, so leave a comment below. Thanks. So let's try that again. And crank. Alright, so he delivers a lunge punch. I do an inside block. I raise the butt of the stick. I thrust to the throat. And then I guess I go through. Oh, and then I missed a step, sorry. So it says thrust again, lock assailant's head by hooking his neck with the cane. So hooking the cane and clip the cane with the left arm. Okay, so I hook and then I clip. Break the assailant's neck by twisting it. Pull the hand. Block, choke, silence using the cane. Alright, let's give it a try.
What? Break the neck?
Break the neck. I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to break your neck. Oh, for the view. Alright, so go 1, 2, and then it says again a thrust through, and then clip the cane, clipping the cane, and then I guess a neck. Just like that. How does that feel? Is there pressure in there?
Yeah.
Okay, well let's give that a try again. Okay, so here I go through, I clip and crank. Okay, I hope that works. Okay, so let's try again. Go 1, 2, 3, and crank. Okay, let's try and be more fluid with it, I guess. Here. Okay. One more. So, I guess, wait. So, police technique, because in the Philippines they carry rattan stick. Most police, and I know when I was growing up there, I grew up in an air base where armed forces carry yantok, they call it yantok, with a little hole in the middle and a rope like that. Or most tanod, like barangay tanods, like barangay tanod would be like a community patrol officer that just, you know, make sure the neighborhood is in peace and order. So that would be a barangay tanod that carries the yantok. So I guess this is why it's called the police technique, because most police in the Philippines, back when I was growing up, you know, they have cane. Here they have the extendable batons. So the short one, then they hit you with it. So it would work. Just a matter of practice.
Also,
Right.
don't try this at home unless you know what you're doing.
That's right. Good point. Okay, so punch again. Raise the butt of the cane. I go through. I clip and crank. Okay. Here. Okay. Oh, sorry. Other influences are kicking in. Okay. So here, my guard goes right there. Go through. I crank. So here, I clip and crank. Okay. Let's try a little bit more fluid. Okay. So go. I missed the clip. All right. 1, 2, clip and crank. Okay, last one. Here. Ah. There you go. So again, this whole series of video is going to be based on whatever book that we can get our hands on. I have a few Filipino martial arts books. I have a few collections of Filipino martial arts books since it's Filipino martial arts, and I've been training and I'd like to promote it. So again, we are not an instructor of this particular style. It's Grandmaster Ernesto Presas Style, so it is modern Arnis, and we're just following the book. And we're doing this because sometimes it's hard to imagine what it's gonna look like. So we're trying it out, and hopefully you guys like it. Leave a comment below if we did it somewhat okay, maybe anything. Alright, so that's the video for today, and thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe,
Hit the like button,
share,
comment.
hit the notification bell right there, and we'll see you guys next time. Hope you guys like it. Alright, cool guys.
Good one.
Yeah, that's better. I think I like it better if I'm watching it. Yep.